Let's start with IBM. It is up about 2% here this morning. It says it has the blueprint for the next generation of tiny but mighty AI chips. It says it can deliver chips with 50% better performance and dramatically lower power consumption. To give you an idea of what this is all about, it says that it can cram more computing power into these smaller devices and pack about 100 billion transistors onto a chip the size of a fingernail.
Jeez, I don't know what these people are doing.
Smaller and better.
But the point is, well said. And that, is there anybody not putting out these press releases? Like everybody's got the new whiz-bang technology on a pin of a needle.
Apparently, this is the smallest and fastest. So
it's IBM,
at least till Friday.
IBM has so many patents. They come up with so much new technology, even today. I mean, they do it year in and year out. You talk about all the new tech companies out there, but IBM, from a research perspective, they just crush it every year.
I do have to say, it's not ready for industrial use yet. They said they see a path to production in about 5 years. And they what does this mean? Because I'm like, okay, well, what does this really mean? More transistors mean faster and more powerful computing, can help drive advances like faster smartphones, laptops, more efficient data centers, better self-driving cars, all that good stuff.
The chart here, till 2022, they were asleep, and then boom, up they go.
Exactly. And the stock is down 11% year to date, so that's not accounting for this rise we're seeing pre-market. We have got McCormick. Let's move over to the spices world. McCormick, it was up earlier this morning. It's now up about 1%, but down 30% year to date. So it's been a tough 2026 for McCormick. This is, of course, the spices and seasonings maker. It makes Cholula hot sauce. Cholula hot sauce, the red and the green. French's mustard, Frank's Red Hot. I like that. Said adjusted earnings per share reached 80 cents. That topped estimates. It said a tariff refund helped to reduce costs of goods by $28 million. We're hearing more and more of that now from companies talking about those tariff refunds and what it meant to their bottom line. Also, McCormick reaffirmed its full year guidance. The company saw slower growth, though, in spices and seasonings because, quote, people were using more of what's in their pantry. You know, think about it. How long do you have your spices
for?
When do I buy a new spice?
This is a reason for divorce.
Oh, no.
Forever.
Oh, my God. She throws them out.
Well, is it like a go-bag?
Mrs. looks at like the expiration and goes, this, some unpronounceable spice is like 3 years past sell date.
It's fine.
I go, it's fine. We can use it.
The hot sauce thing.
Maybe not as potent, but it's still fine.
I don't understand the hot sauce wave. All the kids, they have it at their desk. They have it with them. It's almost like their water bottle and their hot sauce. And so you go to a restaurant and there's not a ketchup on the table. No. There's hot sauce.
Very
when did that happen?
Is it not good if I walk around with a water bottle that has a martini in it?
Yeah. We can do that.
Is that as a hydration break?
Yeah, we do that at the beach,
hydration,
maybe.
Yes.
Next.
Yep. All right, what else? Oh, let's stick with food. Darden Restaurants. All right, this stock taking it on the chin here, down 3.5% in the pre-market. Same-store sales at Olive Garden trailing expectations, and they say it's raising questions about demand at the company's largest chain, and it actually overshadowed really an earnings report that was better than expected overall. So Olive Garden, fourth quarter same-store sales growth, 2.4%, a full percentage lower than expected. This suggests that promotions and lighter portions were not enough to offset pressure on lower and middle-income consumers. Remember, they used to have those humongous portions, which were in some ways unappetizing. So they actually pulled back on that.
Yeah. I've seen a lot of on-air stuff of European soccer fans in the U.S. being interviewed. Yeah. And the one thing they always say is, boy, your portions here are big.
Because they are. But I do want to point out Longhorn Steakhouse doing really well, continuing to benefit from strong demand, even though steak prices are so high. So that's what sort of buttressed Darden.